What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about braking power on the 5th gen 4Runner. This is an OG 4Runner. This is pre-facelift, I think 2014 and up. So this is between 2010 and 2013. So this customer here came to us because he needed extra braking power, not because he has a lot of gear on the outside, because he still has factory bumper in the rear, factory bumper in the front. He does have a roof rack and a pretty heavy tent on the top, but we have the rear door and the hatch open to show you kind of what he has going on here. So he is pretty much set up to live out of this vehicle for weeks at a time, really. He's got water, he's got everything. He's got the up-down gear drawer system in here. Fully loaded, as you can tell, all the way to the top. He has the Molly panels on the side, shelf on the top. He's utilizing pretty much every square inch of this vehicle, all the way out to the side here. So he has deleted the back seat. He has a platform here that kind of creates a nice flat area for him. And he's got water, bunch of food over there, canned food, and everything like that. So a lot going on here. He even has an attic, kind of a carrier system right up here that holds things on top, kind of like a hammock style here. So he's utilizing every little space in this vehicle. And then he even has a bunch of stuff in the front. But to my point here is that he doesn't have a lot of weight on the outside of it, but he has a ton of weight on the inside. And what we're doing today with it is we replace the factory brakes with the PowerBrakes Big Brake Kit for all the braking power in the front. And then we have in the rear the D-Line, which will also upgrade the factory rotors and pads as well. It doesn't actually replace the calipers like it does in the front with the Big Brake Kit, but this is going to give this customer as much braking power as this vehicle can really have. And that's going to be needed for really not mostly daily driving, but for those instances where there is a surprise traffic or something where you need the extra braking power to stop your vehicle before you collide into whatever it is in front of you. And then that point you're gonna, say to yourself that you should have just upgraded the brakes from that point. But that's kind of the reason why we did that for him today. PowerBrakes is what we recommend for upgrading your brakes when you're adding a ton of weight to your vehicle, whether that be the inside or the outside. And there's a lot of aftermarket brands out there at AutoZone, Advance Auto, all those local auto parts store. Those brake pads will work for factory weight, where you don't have anything on your vehicle that includes everything from sliders, roof rack, bumpers, anything like that. So I wouldn't recommend any of those for something like this. But if you don't have any weight, those will be fine. But if you are, give us a call. Just give us a call and let us know how much weight you have on your vehicle, and we can help you, guide you in the right direction, whether that be the D-Line replacement rotors and pads, or something like this where it will require a big brake kit. But that's going to be it for this video. I will have the big brake kit and the D-Line down in the description if you wanted to take a look at that for your own vehicle. They make it for the Tacoma, Tundra, and the 4Runner as well, and a couple other makes like Lexus as well. But everything Toyota, you can give us a call. We'll help you out. I will put our number down in the description as well. And if you're in Denver, just come on in and we'll help you out. We'll see you guys in another video.